Hi, welcome to 7th grade Accelerated Math. I'm Mrs. Kelly. Our curriculum this year is the Open Up Math curriculum, as well as Desmos. We'll be working both in a workbook and on our Chromebook. Our LMS is our Google Classroom. I'll be showing you more of that in just a little bit. But this is an accelerated class, so we have several units to accomplish this year. We have our 7th grade units as well as 8th grade units to help them prepare for Algebra 1 next year. The materials that students are expected to bring to class each day are their workbook, calculator, pencils, charged Chromebook, paper, or spiral. It is vital that their Chromebook is charged for them to fully participate in our Desmos lessons. Our grades are as follows. Most grades that you see in HACC will be from quizzes and tests. The expectation is that students ask questions, share their thinking, and be respectful. You're welcome to email or call me at any time if there's a concern or if there's something you feel like I should know to help your student be successful in math class. Let's now take a moment to look at our Google Classroom. When students come to the Google Classroom, it first looks like this. This is called the stream. And this is where we'll see announcements and assignments posted. Students can comment. We can have a little discussion on here. But this can get kind of messy and the thread keeps continuing to get pushed down. I encourage students to click here under classwork. And this is where you will see our weekly agendas. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. And this is, right now, that is our only title is weekly agenda. We will build upon this as the school year goes on, and there'll be other titles, such as resources or study guides. They'll be posted there for each unit. But for right now, we just have our weekly agendas posted. But this is where I encourage students to go because it's going to be organized under these headings, unlike the stream where things can kind of get misplaced. But I do want to show you our weekly agendas. This is a good place for your student or child to be going on a daily basis to look over and review what we've done in class. If your child happens to be absent, this is also where they would want to go to find out what we did in class. So I try to give my agenda for a week out at a time so you can kind of plan ahead as well if needed. Students can click on each day of the week. Here's an example of an agenda. On this day, we did a Moji Math warm-up. We did some review and practice preparing for a test. If you see here on the left, we have optional. And I wanted to point this out, especially to our parents. If students do not feel comfortable at the end of a lesson, we do some self-reflection. And if a student is not feeling confident with that day's learning target, I am encouraging them to do this optional homework here on the side. You can see as I go to another day, here we were working on lesson 2. There's both a video and practice. So if a student did not feel confident with that day's learning targets, they would go here, watch the video, and get some extra practice. So that is always going to be available for them. So that's why our agenda is an important place to go for both students that are here in class and those students that might be out for the day. Have a good day. Bye.